Hi guys, this is Rob from Iceboxauto here. Just going to show you today's install. Now we have done a complete overhaul on this dash here, which is obviously this 10.25 inch screen. But if you're familiar with our YouTube video, we already have a video for this part of the screen here. So we're not going to go into detail on this, but we're going to bring you today is this section down here, which is the digital AC panel. So obviously this is what we've installed with that. But I say this can be purchased on its own. As you can see, it's got all like the as you would expect in the new cars today. I know especially you can't see these options here. So this is where your digital climate control is, which basically controls your AC, obviously where the air ventilation comes out of, your fans. As you can see, this is all controllable via the screen. Also you can use this part here if you want to control. These icons down here tend to control your heated front window, rear window, obviously some circulation of air through the panel, and also you've got the auto panels and the locks there. So oh, that's good. I didn't even notice that. So these are locking mechanisms, which basically, obviously, your buttons that you remove, obviously these cater for that. So obviously this is why you get a door locking mechanism, as you can hear in the background. Okay, I'll go into the seat section. So this is where your heated seat comes on. 1 second, as you can see, and then you can control this again by, this obviously also does the coolant of the seats if your car's got that anyway. I know a lot of the new cars have it. So obviously we're putting this into a 2013 car. There you go. There's your some terrain settings there here, as the car doesn't have that many terrain settings anyway. On this year the car, obviously it doesn't have everything on here that you would normally expect on a new car, and these do work. So when I'm pressing the eco button on the dash, which you can't see in the background, it does state it on the dash that obviously the eco settings are changing. Some settings are not on the car anyway, like the traction control, but obviously the car didn't have that anyway. So let's go over to the rear. So if your car does have heated rear seats, then obviously you control it through this. Let me have a little look. Oh, the rear, sorry, that's the rear AC panel there. So obviously that controls the AC in the back if your car has it. And this is the seat section here for the rear. So obviously this is the same as the front, but obviously if you've got rear heated seats, then you obviously control it through there. And obviously you control the buttons on there. So this has a button still works, as you can see. And I assume, let me just check what this is. This is the volume section. Obviously we've got nothing going on the top ground, but you might hear a bit of buzzing in the background, but that's because we're putting the volume right up and nothing's on the top screen here. So that's a physical volume button there anyway. Okay, so not much to the video, because I say there's not much you can show on these AC panels, because I say there's not much functionality to them other than what's original on the panel that you're removing. But I hope you like the video, and if you've got any questions, put them down below. We'll put the link to the description. We do have them for the types of Jaguars. These ones here, yours haven't got the XF. So get in touch with us and hope to see you soon. Take care, bye bye.